In today's simple and short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp account without providing your original phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. So as you can see that it's asking for your phone number, but what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type TEMPSMSS, click on search, scroll down. So here you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the number to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any country. I'll go with USA. So I'll click on this free USA number option. Once again scroll down. And these are the numbers that you can use to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any one number and below the number click on this receive SMS option. Now right next to the phone number you will see this copy option. So click on it. Once the phone number is copied, go back to WhatsApp and paste the phone number here, but first enter the country code. For USA it's 1, then paste the phone number, click on next. So now a verification code will be sent to the new number, and in order to get that verification code you need to go back to your internet browser, scroll down, and here in this inbox section you will receive your verification code. Once you have received the verification code, all you have to do is to copy it and paste it on WhatsApp. And once you have done that, your WhatsApp account will be created using a fake number. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.